So today I'm going to talk a little bit about Melaleuca. You might know it as tea tree oil. This is another great one for razor burn or any skin irritations. Honestly, a lot of times I like to do lavender and Melaleuca together for skin irritations, kind of like a boo-boo spray or a sun spray. Um, if you also frankincense goes great with that. So honestly, anything I blend together, I'm going to go ahead and throw a drop of frankincense in there. It's great for a moisturizer and also to help with skin blemishes. It's just so great for the skin. So if you have a skincare that you already love, but you're still getting some blemishes, um, go ahead and add this in maybe to the face wash or to the moisturizer at the end for those. This is great for baby wipes. So you can actually cut a roll of paper towels in half and put it in one of those round containers. They have one where the little um, paper towels can come through the top, and then you can add 3 drops of each, Melaleuca and lavender. Add 2 cups of warm water and 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil. And then once it sits for a little while, when all the liquid is absorbed, that cardboard will just come right out and it will perfectly put that middle one up. And so you can just keep pulling one baby wipe. It's actually a great cost saver and it's a lot better for their little tushies. Sunburn, like I said, I put lavender and Melaleuca together for that. This is another great one just to have a lavender and Melaleuca or just Melaleuca spray. And anytime you change your sheets, go ahead and just spray it down with Melaleuca to help clean that mattress. Um, if you have that one toenail, always looks a little yellow. It's great for toenail challenges. And then this is such a great one to add to shampoo. So one, lice does not like the smell of it. And another thing, it's great for that dry, itchy scalp. And that tends to happen to me in the winter because people have their heat on and it just dries out my scalp. And so I don't have any trouble with that when I use Melaleuca. Let me know if you learn anything. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.